In the video for today, I'm going to show you how you could convert an image from one format to the other. Hello my friend, my name is Kenneth Brown. Welcome to channel CygnaTech, and how are we doing today? I hope fantastic. Well, if you are not doing fantastic, you're watching my video for today. Stick with me till the end. I promise you, you are definitely gonna go away with a big smile on your face, because I am going to give you a solution to this specific problem, doing image format conversion. All right, and if you are on my channel for the first time, consider subscribing to my channel, smash that bell notification icon, and always share my content after you watch my videos, because I make simple and easy videos for you to understand that is actually going to be very handy now or in the future. In order for you to change the format of an image, there are basically two ways to do it. The first way is the offline method, and the second way is the online method. Okay, if you are not having access to the internet anywhere, all you need to have is an application called Paint installed on your computer system, and you could do the conversion very easily. So see, supposing this is the image you want to convert. Okay, it's in a PNG format. You could do a right click and open with maybe Paint, and you have the file opened here in Paint. Okay, so here what you need to do is click on File, you get a drop down, click on Save As, and you could save in any format you want other than the original format. Okay, of course, if you want to save it in a .jpg format, you click on .jpg picture, and you would get an option to save it in a .jpg format. As simple as that. Okay, so what you could do is select the destination folder. So I select my desktop and I click on save, and you may just get this pop-up. Just click on OK. That's absolutely fine, no problem. And you could see here that you have the image converted to a .jpg format. Okay, it was in a PNG format, but now it is converted to a .jpg format. Of course, both the images are there, the .png format image, and now you also have the .jpg format image. Okay, as simple as that. The second option to do this conversion is by doing it through an online tool. You could get to a website known as onlineconvert.com. The link is in my description. You could click on the link, get onto this website, and you could immediately do conversion very easily by going to the image converter. Okay, so once you are on this website, all you need to do is go to the image converter and select the destination conversion file type. Okay, so if you want to convert that .png file to maybe .jpg, you select .jpg and click on go. Once you do that, the image converter page would populate like this. Okay, so you click on choose file and upload that image to the website. So I get back to my desktop and I upload that image. Okay, that PNG image, and it is getting uploaded out here. All right, and if you want to change any settings, you could do that out here, but for this case I do not need any change. Once it is uploaded, you could click on start conversion and it would convert automatically like this. Click on start conversion, and the conversion is done automatically on the website itself. All right, once the conversion is complete, you would get two options. It would automatically download here. Now you have a .jpg format file. As simple and easy as that. So these are the two methods that you could use to convert the format for an image to maybe a .png to .jpg, or maybe from .png to .svg or TGA or WBMP, or whatever formats are available out here or on Paint. As simple and easy as that. I hope I was able to provide some value to you through my video for today, and I am leaving you with a bright smile or a big smile on your face. This is it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I will definitely come back with another interesting video similar to this. You take care till then. Peace out.